This guide will help you folks at home get started with your Nintendo Switch console. And if at any point you need help with these steps, you can always ask a loved one for help, or you can go to any of these electronic or grocery stores in your area and ask a staff member to assist you. The first item you're going to need is a Nintendo Switch video game console. This costs $299 and can be purchased at the stores previously mentioned. The Nintendo Switch can be played by holding the console like pictured here, or it can be played on a television that supports what is called HDMI input. If you need help checking, remember to ask a loved one or someone who knows about technology for help to set up your Switch. The product comes with the video game console, two controllers that are called Joy-Cons that slide onto the console like so, and to disconnect, you just have to hold these buttons on the back of the controller and pull like this. Let's play that one more time for clarification. You slide the controllers on, and hold the button down and slide up to remove. The console also comes with a controller holder for the Joy-Cons, a charger cord for your console, an HDMI cable to connect to your television, and finally, the Nintendo Switch dock, which is what's used to connect your Switch to the television. The first thing you need to do is take your Nintendo Switch dock and plug in the charger into this port that's shaped like an oval on the back. Then, plug in the HDMI cable that's shaped like a trapezoid. Next, you're going to connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the back of your television into a shape that's the same shape as the trapezoid from the previous HDMI cable example. Now that your dock is connected, you can now take your Nintendo Switch console and connect the controllers to the screen using the rail systems shown before. Next, put your Nintendo Switch console in the dock so it's centered like so. Before we continue on, make sure that your AC adapter is plugged into a wall outlet, and these will normally look like this. Next, you will need to turn on your television and go to the source that says HDMI. Finally, turn on your Nintendo Switch console holding the power button for a few seconds until a light appears on the dock as shown. If the light is on, but no image is showing on the screen, you may have it on the wrong HDMI input. Most televisions have more than one HDMI input, so you may have to switch in order to get a picture on the screen. If you've tried switching inputs and you still have no image, try checking your HDMI cable to see if the cable is connected on both ends. Finally, if you're not getting the dock light to turn on at all, try checking your charger connection, for you might have to plug in the console elsewhere. If your Switch is working properly and you have an image, congratulations! You're one step closer to using your video game console. And if you need help getting familiar with your controller, click here to watch our video on that. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun gaming!